In this video, I will show you how to fix the Facebook Messenger message request loading error. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can test your connection by opening another app or website. If your internet isn't working properly, restart your router or switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Now, restart your device. A simple restart can fix temporary software glitches that may be preventing Messenger from loading messages. After that, make sure Messenger is up to date. Open Play Store or App Store. Now, tap on the search bar and search for Messenger. Here, find the option of Update. Tap on that. Now, wait until the update is complete. Now open Messenger. If the problem still continues, you want to clear the Messenger's app cache. Long press on the Messenger app, tap on this app info icon. Now scroll down and find Storage, tap on it, then tap on Clear Cache. You can also tap on Clear Data. Keep in mind that you will have to log into your account again if you tap on Clear Data. Now if none of these methods work, uninstall the Messenger app. After that, reinstall it from Play Store or App Store. Then open the app and this issue should be fixed. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.